This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel, a versatile EDC shovel designed to support both outdoor and tactical communities. The SCH-SH1 both folds for easy storage and telescopes to its full length of over 19 inches. With a concave shovel blade forged from rugged 1055 carbon steel with beveled, sharpened edges, the covert black tool serves as both an outdoor multi-tool as well as an instrument of self-defense. To deploy the shovel, rotate the locking collar counterclockwise, then swivel the blade to the fully open position. Lock the blade into place by turning the locking collar clockwise until the locking washer snugs. Use caution at all times as the shovel blade's edges are sharp. The handle's aluminum inner tube expands to any one of 5 positions. Use your thumbs to disengage the handle lock. Slide the molded polypropylene all-weather T-handle to the desired length and lock into position by pressing down on the Schrade logo of the handle lock. Use the SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel to dig holes, shovel snow, and light chopping. The steel striking surface can be used to pound tent stakes. Loosen the locking collar and reposition the shovel blade at a 90-degree angle for digging furrows or scraping tree bark. To sheath, fully collapse both the handle and blade. Then slide the tool into its black nylon belt sheath where twin snaps secure the blade. Double loops on the back side of the sheath let you carry the SCH-SH1 either on your belt or attached to gear. A versatile EDC and tactical shovel weighing only 2 pounds, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCH-SH1 telescoping folding shovel.
The latest evolution of United Cutlery's best-selling M48 lineup is the M48 Tactical Shovel, made of tempered 2CR13 stainless steel with a black oxide coating for a non-reflective appearance. The rock-solid shovel features sharpened edges culminating into a piercing point. One side of the shovel has a partially serrated edge for sawing applications, while the other side has a concave bevel for chopping. The M48 shovel features a 30% fiberglass reinforced nylon handle that's almost indestructible. Designed with ultimate survival in mind, the M48 Tactical Entrenchment Shovel is perfect for camping and outdoor use, light chopping, or even as a defensive weapon in an emergency situation. This is the M48 Tactical Shovel, only United Cutlery.
We're EST Gear, and today we want to introduce you to our brand new multi-tool, the EST Shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure-tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it. We've been making high-quality camping gear for years, but this is our first product that we're selling directly to consumers. We have everything ready to start mass production and will be able to ship by June, but we need to meet the volume and manufacturing requirements, which is why If you back our campaign, you'll save 50% off the shovel for helping us to bring this project to life. We chose Indiegogo because we want to create a community of like-minded adventurers who love great tools. Now, all we need is you.
Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffer with Black Hills UTV, and today we're going to be showing you the Rhino USA Ultimate Survival Shovel. Things don't always go as planned when off-roading, so it's always nice to be prepared for any situation. The Rhino USA Ultimate Survival Shovel comes in a heavy-duty carry bag in 4 pieces and is easily assembled. The Rhino USA Ultimate Survival Shovel has a ton of features that can help you get out of a bind if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere. Each extension bar comes with hidden tools for every emergency situation. In the handle, it has a saw, a whistle, and a fire starter. The end can double as a glass breaker. Also has a bottle opener, saw on the edge here, nice spade, and can also double as a pickaxe. This shovel is super stout and comes with 2 non-slip rubberized grips to ensure a secure hold. The Rhino USA Ultimate Survival Shovel extends from 7 inches to 31 inches once it's assembled. This is a standard piece of equipment that should be in every off-road vehicle that you own.
This is a Zune Lotoo Annihilate military shovel. Made for more than 20 processes. With 15 functions, it's suitable for military and survival rescue. The shovel surface is made with the 3rd generation fine-grained casting technology, which has amazing strength with a built-in high polymer anti-skid sleeve. Inner oblique line axe edge design. Slashing penetration increased by 45%. The induction temperature at the blade edge reaches 1300 degrees centigrade. The effective hardness is HRC 60. Cutting-edge design with a high sharp angle, forming an inner curved blade for cutting. Make it easy to destroy objects with fibers. 6-speed shift key design. No need to remove lever handle. Press the shift key lightly. Multi-angle adjustment of shovel surface can come true. Agility like a part of the arm. 3D, 3-dimensional casting. The thickness reaches to 1.3 centimeter, like backs of the human body. It can easily support the weight of an adult. The second lever is equipped with tactical assault knife, which is Bowie knife type design. It is made from X155 CRV MO121 steel, produced by the Ruhr Industrial Zone in Germany. Extremely sharp. The third lever is equipped with rescue whistle, used for warning, distressing, and scaring beasts. The tail handle is equipped with a German fire rod. You can fire with the sawtooth of the tactical knife. The temperature produced by instantaneous friction can reach 1000 degrees, which is enough to ignite a fire switch. No matter where you go, take it with you will be the best choice. With supercraft and German quality, it can follow you around for a long time.